So the PLCA has come out swinging in disagreement with the Jamaica Football Federation for the cancellation and the null and voiding of the Red Stripe Premier League, calling the decision rushed and premature. But really and truly, the JFF had no choice. Too many things were going against the restart of the league. First of all, Jamaica don't have the resources to do the hundreds of repeat testing and the isolation necessary to play football under COVID conditions. In the areas of security and control, the Premier League venues in Jamaica, which are by and large community venues, are difficult, near impossible to secure. Imagine a football match at Jocks Hall or Arnett Gardens or Tivoli or Waterhouse, supposedly behind closed doors. How them going to stop the man them from them own community from beat two fence and a wall and watch some football? Especially for fans who are starving for football. When you balance the sponsorship to be lost by the PLCA versus the possible worsening of the COVID crisis, it was just not worth the risk. So good move, Mr. Ricketts. The Maverick are defend you this time. The only problem was the null and voiding of the season. Whole heap of football play, goal score, game win, game draw. Those things happened and should not be null and void. Yes, Waterhouse should be declared the champion. And Fear United relegate.